In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block on Microsoft Edge. First, let's open Edge. You can find the Edge icon on your desktop or in your taskbar. Double-click the icon, and the browser will launch. Once it's open, you'll see the familiar interface with the address bar at the top. This is the starting point for all your browsing activities. Opening Edge sets the stage for the adjustments we are about to make. It's important to ensure Edge is the latest version for optimal functionality. Next, we need to navigate to the pop-up settings. In the address bar, type edge/settings/setting/count/pop-ups and hit enter. This action takes you directly to the settings page for pop-ups and redirects. You will see options for managing what happens when a website tries to show a pop-up. This is crucial because pop-ups can be intrusive and distract from your browsing experience. Once you land on this settings page, look for the option that says pop-ups and redirects. Make sure this is set to blocked. If it is not, simply click the toggle to enable this setting. Blocking pop-ups reduces interruptions while you browse and allows you to focus on the content you want to see. After making this change, you will feel a noticeable difference in your browsing experience. Now let's block a specific site from showing pop-ups. In the same settings area, you will find a section labeled Block List. Here, you can add any site that you want to prevent from displaying pop-ups. Click on the Add button and enter the website address you want to block. It's a straightforward process. This targeted approach allows you to customize your browsing experience according to your needs. After you add the site, press Enter or click the Confirm button. You should see the site listed in your block list. This ensures that you won't be bothered by unwanted pop-ups from that specific site. Keeping your browsing environment clean helps you work more efficiently. Next, we will move on to blocking notifications. Again, type edge/settings/count/notifications in the address bar and hit enter. Just like before, this action brings you directly to the notification settings. Notifications can often become overwhelming, especially from sites that send frequent updates. Once you arrive at the notification settings, you will see an option that says Ask before sending. To block all notification requests, toggle this option off. This simple action will prevent sites from asking you to send notifications. It helps streamline your browsing experience and reduces distractions. If you prefer to block notifications from specific sites instead, you can add them to the block list here as well. Find the block list section and click on the Add button. Enter the website address whose notifications you want to block. This allows you to keep only the notifications that matter to you. Once you have added the sites, you will see them listed. This makes sure that your preferences are saved and that you will not receive unwanted notifications in the future. Customizing your settings in this way greatly enhances your overall browsing experience. With these steps completed, you are now equipped to manage pop-ups and notifications effectively in Microsoft Edge. This not only improves your focus, but also makes your time online more enjoyable. Thank you for watching and enjoy a cleaner browsing experience.